Came across a RXT file with formatted text content? These are rich text documents used by various applications for storing styled content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and converting these RXT document files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful RXT troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. RXT files are rich text document files containing formatted text with styling such as fonts, colors, sizes, and basic layout. They store text content with formatting information used by various applications for documentation, help systems, and rich content storage. RXT files typically use a text-based or RTF-compatible format, storing formatted text with style tags, font specifications, color codes, paragraph attributes, and embedded objects following either standard rich text format syntax or application-specific markup conventions. The native handler for RXT files is usually Microsoft Word from Microsoft. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows can preview many document types, but full editing still requires dedicated document software. To resolve the application failure, right-click your RXT file and choose Open With. Check for Microsoft Word and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. When your RXT file does not open, it is usually a small issue. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, opening as RTF. Try opening the RXT file in Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, or WordPad, which support RTF format. Right-click the file and select Open With to choose the application. If the RXT uses RTF-compatible formatting, these word processors display the formatted content correctly. Next, viewing as text. Open the RXT file in a text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to view the raw content. Plain text RXT files display readable content directly, while formatted versions show markup tags that reveal the styling structure used in the document. Finally, converting to standard formats. Once opened in a compatible application, use Save as to convert the RXT file to DOCX PDF or TXT format. This ensures portability across systems and applications while preserving the document content and most formatting elements for future use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.